Have you come to realize that you sometimes find yourself struggling to focus while working? Or you struggle to remember things such as names, dates, or common facts while in the middle of a conversation? If yes, then you may be suffering from a condition known as brain fog. According to experts, brain fog is a serious condition that occurs due to structural damage to the brain. It also occurs when there is functional damage to the brain due to a lack of good sleep and nutrition. One of the best ways to declutter your brain and reduce the symptoms of brain fog is by getting enough sleep, exercising regularly, and eating a well-balanced diet and highly nutritious food. Eating nutritious foods can help to enhance your brain health and reduces the risk of suffering from other brain conditions such as dementia and Alzheimer's disease. In this video, we will discuss foods that you can eat today to help you beat brain fog. Walnuts. Walnuts are some of the best foods you can eat for your brain health. Scientific research has shown that walnuts contain a high concentration of DHA, which helps to promote healthy brain function. Additionally, although all nuts are rich in antioxidants, research shows that walnuts rank higher in potency compared to other nuts such as pistachios, almonds, and peanuts. As a result, walnuts are highly effective in protecting the brain against inflammation. They are also rich in magnesium, which also helps to enhance brain memory. Turmeric. Turmeric is one of the most effective nutritional supplements for your brain. This superfood contains curcumin, an active compound that has been scientifically proven to help enhance brain health. Not only able to improve memory, turmeric, and specifically curcumin, is a powerful anti-inflammatory. It is an extraordinarily strong antioxidant and can help improve your brain function and lower the risk of brain conditions such as Alzheimer's disease and depression. Clinical research has also shown that turmeric can help to enhance brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a type of growth hormone that helps to increase the growth of new neurons and fights various degenerative processes in your brain. Cocoa. Cocoa is high in flavonoids, a diverse group of phytonutrients. Phytonutrients are compounds found in almost all vegetables and fruit. Cocoa is highly recommended because it has high levels of flavonoids. Flavonoids have potent antioxidant properties that help to fight toxic cellular waste in the body known as free radicals. Free radicals can damage your DNA and brain cells through a process known as oxidation. This oxidation can cause brain fog symptoms. Flavonoids also help to enhance your memory and learning. Spinach. Spinach is regarded as a superfood because of its high nutritional value. Spinach is high in lutein, an antioxidant that helps to protect the brain against inflammation and free radicals. Research has shown that people suffering from cognitive disorders usually have low or reduced levels of lutein. Including spinach in your diet will help to boost your lutein, which will in turn help protect you against inflammation and free radicals. Spinach also helps to enhance your learning and memory. Blueberries. Blueberries are high in antioxidants and can help to reduce the risk of oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain. Oxidative stress can accelerate your brain's aging process and negatively affect your brain function. Multiple scientific studies have shown that antioxidants in blueberries may help to enhance your brain function by addressing oxidative stress and inflammation. It also helps to improve your brain memory and brain fog symptoms. Avocado. Avocado is a good source of healthy fats, which helps to support brain function. Monounsaturated fats found in avocados help to improve cognitive function, thus lowering the risk of cognitive decline. Additionally, avocados are also rich in vitamin E, which has been clinically proven to help slow cognitive decline in the elderly. Celery. Celery is a great source of an important antioxidant known as flavonoids, which helps to protect your brain against inflammation neurodegenerative diseases, and cognitive aging. Celery is also a rich source of luteolin. Luteolin is a plant compound that has been scientifically proven to help reduce inflammation in the brain, thus protecting your brain against the aging process. A 2015 study on mice found out that luteolin helps to slow cognitive decline. Eat more eggs. Eggs are a good source of several crucial nutrients tied to brain health. These nutrients include B6, folate, B12, and choline. For instance, choline is a crucial micronutrient that your brain uses to create acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that helps to regulate your memory and also reduces the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Water. Water plays an important role in providing your brain with much-needed energy. Your brain is mostly comprised of water. A 2010 study found out that the brain works better when it is well hydrated. A well-hydrated brain works faster with greater creativity and more clarity. However, your brain cannot store water. Therefore, it is important to ensure that you are well hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Which one of these foods will you enjoy next time you have brain fog? Comment below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and be sure to turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos. Also share this video with a friend who might enjoy it. And don't forget to check out the link and description below. As always friends, we wish you great wellness and happiness.